Dr. Preeti, you were once obese yourself. You
Yes.
used to weigh around 90 kilos, like between 85 to 90. And you have been in the healthcare industry for almost 3 decades now.
Yeah.
And in the later stage of your life, I think when you reached beyond 35, you were diagnosed with diabetes.
Yeah.
And your HA1AC levels were 6.3. So usually what happens with a diabetic person is that they accept themselves that they will have to live a diabetic life for the rest of their life basically. And they never think about that, first of all, they are not aware that diabetes can actually be reversed. If taken the right care, if taken the right scientific approach, diabetes can actually be reversed. So what happened in your life? What did you come across? Because you were a doctor yourself, so either you must have known that diabetes can be reversed, or at that particular time when you were diagnosed with diabetes, you discovered something which made you familiar with the fact, also being as a medical professional, that diabetes can actually be reversed. So what happened exactly?
So thank you, Vishwas, for this question.
Yeah.
Right? So diabetes, we all know what diabetes is, and very surprisingly, the number of people who are suffering from diabetes is increasing, and so are the myths around diabetes. So when I was diagnosed with diabetes, I was at a phase when my kids were growing up. मैं पढ़ाई कर रही थी, जॉब कर रही थी. I'd gained a lot of weight, and suddenly one day my fasting blood sugar was high, and when I went for my blood test, my HbA1c was 6.3. And what happened then? Suddenly, it seemed as if my life is going the downhill. So मेरी आंट्स थी जो बहुत ही ओबीस थी, हमेशा डायबिटिक थी. मेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फैमिली हिस्ट्री है डायबिटीज़ की, ओबेसिटी की, रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस की, एंड देन अर्ली डेथ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. राइट. तो जैसे ही मुझे पता चला, मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे मेरे शरीर में एक दीमक सी लग गई है, और जब तक मैं उस लकड़ी को अपने घर से हटाऊंगी नहीं, मुझे खुजली सी होती रहती थी. पर मेरे पास कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं था, कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव नहीं था, बिकॉज आई एम 89 बैच अमृतसर मेडिकल कॉलेज. ठीक है. एंड उस टाइम पे हमारे टीचर्स ने हमें ये पढ़ाया था, या हमारी बुक्स ने हमें ये बताया था दैट वंस अ डायबिटिक ऑलवेज अ डायबिटिक. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैं भी उसको लेकर चल रही थी, इसलिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा वरिड थी. पर एज वी ऑल नो, जब हम कुछ ढूंढने निकलते हैं तो वो चीज़ हमें मिल ही जाती है. क्योंकि मैं इतनी ज़्यादा वरिड थी, मुझे रोज़ खुजली होती रहती थी, सुबह शाम मैं क्या करूं, दीमक लग गई है, that I started getting articles on my phone, getting messages that डायबिटीज़ कम हो गया, डायबिटीज़ रिवर्स हो सकता है. तो शुरू में आई वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज, बिकॉज आई फेल्ट कि ये क्या यार, मुझे तो ऐसा नहीं पढ़ाया गया है. And then when I started searching, I realized that through functional medicine, which is a personalized approach to healthcare, we can reverse diabetes, and we can also go into a state of remission of diabetes, जिसमें हमें कभी डायबिटीज हो ही नहीं दोबारा. अब जब ये हुआ, तब साथ में एक और चीज हुई पैरेलली, जिसकी वजह से मेरा मोटिवेशन बढ़ा. वो चीज ये हुई कि मुझे ये पढ़ने में मिला कि अगर मैं आज डायबिटिक हो गई हूं, तो बहुत हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी है नेक्स्ट 15 से 20 इयर्स में मेरे को कैंसर होने की. Now you can imagine how scary that is, right? And when I read more and more about this, I came to know that there is so much science to support it. और इसलिए मेरी खोज ये करने के लिए कि यार मैं अपनी डायबिटीज को रिवर्स कैसे करूं, वो बढ़ती गई. And finally today I am in front of you. I am 64 kgs, right? My HbA1c never goes beyond 5.4.
Okay, yeah, that's great.
My fasting sugar stays at around 80-82, right? And I think I look many years younger than what I used to look then, just on the lighter side.